Welcome to our video on the common mistakes men make when approaching women, and how to avoid them. As we all know, meeting and connecting with women can be challenging, but by understanding and avoiding these common mistakes, we can increase our chances of success. In this video, we'll take a look at the most common mistakes men make and provide actionable tips for avoiding them. Here is 10 common mistakes men make when approaching women. Number 1. Not being confident and showing it through body language and tone of voice. Confidence is a trait that is highly attractive to many people. If you appear unsure of yourself or lack confidence, it can make it harder to connect with others and make a good first impression. Number 2. Not making eye contact or being too intense with eye contact. Eye contact is an important aspect of nonverbal communication. Not making eye contact can make you appear disinterested or unapproachable, while being too intense with eye contact can make someone feel uncomfortable. Number 3. Being too aggressive or pushy in their approach. Being too aggressive in your approach can make someone feel uncomfortable or overwhelmed. It's important to be assertive and confident, but also respectful of the other person's boundaries and feelings. Number 4. Not having an interesting or engaging conversation. When meeting someone new, it's important to have an interesting and engaging conversation. If the conversation is dull or one-sided, it can make it difficult to make a connection with that person. Number 5. Being too focused on themselves and not showing enough interest in the woman they are talking to. It's important to be interested in the other person and show that you're paying attention to what they have to say. If you're only focused on yourself, it can be difficult to make a genuine connection with that person. Number 6. Not being well-groomed or dressed appropriately. Being well-groomed and dressed appropriately can help you make a good first impression. Neglecting personal appearance can give a bad impression and can make you appear unimportant or unserious. Number 7. Being too nervous and fidgety, which can make them appear unstable or unreliable. Being nervous is normal, but it's important to try to control it so it doesn't affect your behavior too much, as it can make you appear unstable or unreliable. Number 8. Coming across as arrogant or entitled. Arrogance can be a major turn-off for many people. It's important to be confident and assertive, but also humble and respectful. Number 9. Being dishonest or inauthentic in their interactions. Being dishonest or inauthentic can make it difficult to build a genuine connection with someone. It's important to be honest and genuine when interacting with others. Number 10. Not respecting boundaries or stopping their advances when they are not welcome. It's important to respect the other person's boundaries and to stop your advances if they are not welcome. Failure to do so can make the other person feel uncomfortable or unsafe. Here are 10 tips for men to improve their chances of successfully meeting and connecting with women. Number 1. Work on building and maintaining confidence. Building self-confidence is a process, but it can be improved through self-reflection, self-improvement, and setting and achieving personal goals. One way to improve self-confidence is to set small goals for yourself, and then work on achieving them. Also, try to focus on your positive qualities and accomplishments, and not get bogged down by your negative thoughts or self-doubt. It's important to understand that no one is perfect, and everyone makes mistakes. Learn from them and move on. Number 2. Be well-groomed and dress appropriately. Personal grooming and fashion can make a big difference in how others perceive you. When you're well-groomed and dressed in appropriate clothing, you'll have more self-assurance and will be more likely to make a good first impression. Make sure your clothes are clean, pressed, and fit properly. In addition, taking care of skin, hair, nails, teeth, and etc. would help to enhance your overall appearance. Number 3. Improve your social skills and conversation abilities. The more practice you have interacting with people, the better your social skills will become. Try to engage in conversations with a wide range of people, from strangers to close friends. Reading books and articles on the topic can also be helpful, or you can take a class on social skills or public speaking to get more formal training. Number 4. Show genuine interest and actively listen when interacting with others. Be genuinely interested in what others have to say and actively listen to them. Ask questions and build a connection through common ground and shared interests. Show that you care about what they're saying by responding appropriately and maintaining eye contact. Number 5. Avoid using pickup lines or overly rehearsed routines. Being genuine and spontaneous in your interactions is more likely to lead to positive connections than using pickup lines or overly rehearsed routines. Being authentic and being yourself is far more appealing than trying to be someone you're not. Number 6. Respect boundaries and be aware of nonverbal cues. It's important to be aware of the other person's feelings and intentions, and respect their boundaries. Keep an eye out for nonverbal cues such as body language and facial expressions, which can indicate discomfort or disinterest. If someone seems uncomfortable or uninterested, it's important to back off and respect their wishes. Number 7. Be patient and don't be discouraged if you don't make a connection right away. Building relationships and making meaningful connections takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if things don't work out with someone right away. Instead, learn from your experiences and keep moving forward. Number 8. Practice self-care and manage stress and anxiety. Taking care of yourself can help you be more present and engaged in interactions with others. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, exercise, and eating well, and take time for activities that you enjoy. It's also important to manage your stress and anxiety, as they can affect your ability to connect with others. Number 9. Learn to read body language and facial expressions. Understanding body language and facial expressions can help you interpret a person's feelings and intentions more effectively. Books and online resources can help you understand the basics of nonverbal communication. Number 10. Be open-minded and willing to learn from your experiences. Being open-minded and willing to learn from your experiences can help you grow and improve as a person. Remember that rejection is a natural part of the process and not personal, and don't be afraid to try again. Thanks for watching our video on common mistakes men make when approaching women and how to avoid them. Remember that building relationships and making meaningful connections takes time and effort, but by being aware of these mistakes and taking action to avoid them, you can improve your chances of success. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on this topic and others.